We're going to make breakfast today. I will give you the bread first. 2 for you, okay?
Why?
And 2 for mommy.
Why 2 for
So we can push them together.
I want cheese.
Yep, this is your cheese. Yeah, this is your plate. Can you take the cheese apart?
And where's your cheese?
I don't use cheese.
Why?
I use
Why
mayonnaise.
you don't like it? Why?
Because I use mayonnaise. Hmm?
Oh, cheese.
It's okay.
Can I eat it?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
This is so mean.
I'm gonna put my. Yeah, okay.
Can I have the last one?
Okay.
Can I have only one?
Yeah.
Can I have the big one?
No, small one. Then you can put in your bread. Oh, that is the big one. Put it in. Put it in. Yeah. Now, look at mommy. Look. I put my egg inside the bread. Yeah.
I want to do it.
Okay. Be careful though. The pot is hot. Okay.
Why?
The pan is hot. Look. Well done. Well done. Now you put this bread on top. Look like me. I put it on top. Okay. You gotta move it. Make it fit.
Yeah.
Is it fit now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna pour this inside. This one. Look, I put it inside the toaster. The grill. So you can grill.
Put it inside the grill.
Pretty far away from you. Right, John? Okay. Now I'm gonna close it. Okay. And let it cook. While we're waiting, I'm gonna prepare your milk, okay? Oh, it's coming. It's coming. I'm gonna get your cup of milk. Now,
I want this one.
now that is for water. Okay.
Why
You can
I
pour your
want
milk
this
out.
one? Why?
You can pour your milk out.
What? Can I drink in here?
No, you have to drink in the cup.
Well, I need to put that in the camera. Why?
Because we don't drink from the bottle. Okay.
Why? Okay, why?
Do you want more?
Yeah.
Okay. But you finish this one first, okay? When you finish, I can give you more.
Thank you. The almond milk.
Because I like the almond milk.
Why you got so many? Why you got so many? Oh, we need the big almond milk. Why?
Because I like to drink big one. Hey Ryan, do you want mommy to cut it and then you will bite it, okay?
No.
I'll cut it like this and then you can
Why?
because then this is too big and too heavy. You can't hold it.
Why this I need too heavy? Why?
Because it's big. It's got egg inside.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
I want cheese.
Cheese inside. Okay. How do you think?
Good.
Good. Look at good.
Good. Ta-da. Nom